In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to connect your Verizon remote to your TV, step by step. First, turn on your TV and set the input to the HDMI port connected to your set-top box. Install or replace the remote batteries with fresh AA cells before pairing for a reliable connection. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the LED blinks green, then release to begin pairing. On the TV, open the pairing menu and select Pair Remote using the on-screen prompts and OK to confirm. Once the TV responds to volume and power commands, pairing is complete and the remote is ready to use. If the LED doesn't blink, remove and reinsert batteries, then try holding setup again for 5 seconds. If the TV won't respond, power cycle the TV and set-top box by unplugging both for 10 seconds, then reconnect. Try manual code entry if available. Go to Settings, Remote, or Accessories, then enter the TV brand code shown on screen. You can also use the My Verizon app to pair or update remote firmware if pairing fails at the TV. If problems persist, try resetting the remote per your user manual or contact Verizon support for guided assistance. That's it. For the full written guide and links, check the description and subscribe for more quick tech how-tos.